What's up, guys? It's Mark here at Dino Trading, coming at you with a special video on Fed Day and how that impacted the market today. Okay, as you long-term subscribers to the channel know, I personally love Fed Day. I believe there's a lot of action, there's a lot of price movements, there's a huge amount of volatility on Fed days. And I think there's about 5 or 6 of these Fed days every year. So if you haven't already done so, I highly encourage you to put these Fed days on your calendar so that you can be prepared to speculate in the market accordingly. All right. Now, folks, what you see on the screen right now is a chart of today's S&P 500 price action. You can trade the S&P 500 on Forex, on futures, and on stocks and options. This is the global benchmark, as you guys know. But the reason I wanted to do this special video for you guys is prove to you that the retracement patterns that you guys hear me talk about all the time, right? All the time. This retracement pattern is likely going to show up in the market whether it's Fed Day or whether it's not Fed Day. Okay? So you see this green and red color band, folks? This is our proprietary volume-based indicator. I like to call it the vol. And this thing is, in my opinion, a fantastic trend predictor tool. If it turns green, as it did right here, it tells you that there's a higher probability that the market's going to go up. And if it turns red, okay, as it did so right over here, it's telling you or signaling to you that there's a higher probability than not of the market possibly going down. Right? So I think that's pretty straightforward. But what my observation has been, ladies and gentlemen, you know what I'm going to say right now. In fact, let me ask you this question. As you're looking at this chart of today, this is from today, all right, as you're looking at this chart, I'm going to give you a couple of seconds and you tell me if you can spot the retracement. Go ahead, give you a couple of seconds here. Okay, hope you're able to manage that. Isn't that interesting, ladies and gentlemen, that whether it's Fed Day, whether it's not Fed Day, the retracement pattern is likely to show up. Okay? Textbook. Again, folks, these are, in my opinion, textbook retracement patterns. For those of you guys that don't know what a retracement pattern looks like, let me give you a quick education. All right? It's a simple 3-step process. Let's look at the long example today. When this volume indicator turns green, as it did right here, okay? Your instinct now is to start paying attention. You're on the alert. You've got your finger on the trigger, because what you're wanting or hoping and praying for the market to do is come back a little bit. Right? Come back to you, aka giving you the retracement. Right? The color of the band has to stay the same color, in this case green. Right? And what we then want to wait for is a matching color reversal bar that shows up right over here. Okay. Isn't that interesting, folks, that the pattern is true on Fed Day? How about over here, right? Let me move this over. You see how the volume color band turns red, right? It turns red right over here. Well, again, now your instinct is to start potentially looking for shorts. Why? Because when this color band turns red, it gives you a clue. This is not a guarantee, folks. It is a clue and an alert and what I like to consider a heads up that the volume has now shifted from the buyers being in control into the sellers being in control, right? And there's a higher probability that the market's going to sell off. So once you've digested and absorbed all that information, you're again doing what? Right? You're waiting for the market to come back to you, giving you the retracement. Step number 1, right? That's obvious. Step number 2, the color of the band cannot change. It's red to start. It's got to stay red. And step number 3, we want to wait for a matching color bar. Red bar, red indicator, boom, that's our short signal from today. All right, folks, and you can see this market just, it was a nice sell-off, for maybe a quick scalp. But my point in this video is the same as it is in all the recaps, folks. I am convinced, I'm sold, all right, that retracement patterns, pullbacks, whatever you guys want to call them, these patterns show up every day. And while so many of those morons and amateurs are looking at these candlestick garbage charts over here, right? The professionals and the traders that know how to interpret volume, they know exactly what patterns to look for. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.